The Hamilton Black Film Festival is back, showcasing cultural and traditional films from BIPOC filmmakers. Now, to tell us more, we are joined by the festival's founder. This is Paize, and we are also joined by Julie, and you are the director from the Francophone Center. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
Excited that the festival is now back and in person, and people are going to really enjoy it this year, I think.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about the festival.
Yeah, our festival is back, HBFF 2023. This year we have about 24 films to screen, but most of the films we have a history documentary, and we have a social justice documentary, and some other outstanding films like feature films, short films made by producers from Toronto, which is just catching. So we have great films this year.
That's excellent. And you guys are in partnership for the festival, correct?
Yeah, exactly. So because the festival's motto is inclusiveness, Paize really reached out to me to co-organize the event with him and make it bilingual.
That's
so
incredible.
As director of the Francophone Center, our mission is also to bring accessibility for French speakers in major city events in Hamilton. And so I was really happy to contribute with our cultural, artistic expertise. So we're bringing in a band of kora players. The kora is a traditional African instrument, and it's going to be a really beautiful intermission time for people to be interacting, networking, and having a good time between movies. So we really wanted to make this festival an in-person experience. After all these years of the pandemic, we really wanted to create something special for the audience.
So people can come, they can watch the films, they can have a beautiful intermission, they can network, and it's happening this weekend, correct?
Correct, at the Westdale Theatre.
Okay, at the Westdale Theatre. And are there different kind of themes for each day and different events going on each day?
Yeah, the open night films. Julie talk about the open night film.
Yeah, actually. So the film that's opening, it's a documentary called The Myth of the Black Woman by a Black director from Quebec. And it's really a great way for us to talk about inclusiveness, community, and how to deconstruct the prejudice or the things that we take for granted about each other, and try to have these talks as a community together, how we can better be together and better live together in this. We're really happy to host the director she's coming from Montreal.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and so we're gonna have a film talk with her after the movie.
That'll be amazing.
Yeah, and it will be hosted by Radio-Canada host, a French speaker as well.
Excellent.
So it's really great for us to have this opening night together and make it bilingual by showing a movie in French language.
Now, I know this festival has been going on for a couple of years, and we just have about a minute left, but how did you come up with the idea of this festival?
Yeah, I've been living in Hamilton for almost 32 years. So it came to a point that I said, we have to do something about the BIPOC communities. So something we can do every year to bring people closer together. So that's when the idea came up. So far, the beginning was a little bit slow, but people are getting used to it now, so which is a good thing. So we try to build that unity so that we can have that inclusiveness that is the core value of our festival. So that's where we are right now. So I think people are responding fine.
Yeah, that's great. I think it's such a wonderful idea and such a wonderful concept, and the fact that you two have paired up for it, I think that makes it even better, even more inclusive, which is what we're trying to do and what we're trying to spread throughout the community. How can people still get tickets?
You can get a ticket going to our website, hbff.ca. Click on there, it will take you to 2023 festival, and you can get your tickets there, or eventive.org.
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us and giving us all this wonderful information about the festival. We wish you the best of luck.